how to turn on or turn off screen flash notification on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on advanced settings. In here, scroll down and tap on flash notifications. Next, tap on the screen flash notification toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. After that, tap on all apps, or you can choose selected apps only. When you select all apps, you can also choose which screen color to flash. So here we've got green, blue, red, magenta, pink, and purple. So tap on preview to take a look. Green, and here we've got red. Then tap on done. And there it is, it flashes. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.